I have a bad news for you. If you are still trying to make money the way people did in 2021 or 2022, it's not going to work anymore. But here's the good news. 2025 is bringing new untapped money making opportunity that most people have no idea about. And today I am giving you the exact roadmap to take advantage of them before everyone else does. One of these methods can completely change your life. Method number one, AI automation hustles. AI is not future anymore. It's already here. And if you are not using it to make money, you are leaving cash on the table. Here's how people are making thousands per month with using AI tools. You can just sell AI generated ebook on Amazon. You can also do freelancing with the help of AI tools. You can do it easily with various AI tool in the market, or just you can run AI powered customer support for the business or which are doing really well already. And the best part is you don't even need a skill. AI does the heavy lifting for you. Method number two, Faceless YouTube channel. Imagine making thousands a month from YouTube without even showing your face. Sounds like a scam? No, it's really a great business model. Let's talk how it will work. Pick a trending niche, maybe finance, AI, technology, money management, or follow the celebrity lives and cricketers, or also you can use news articles. It is the content idea. Now simply use AI tools for voiceover like 11 Lab and stock footages to create videos from various platforms like Canva. Now post consistently and monetize through ads, sponsorship most easily and most effective affiliate marketing. Pick a great product, then promote it to your audience. There are people already making 6 or 7 figure doing this right now. And guess what? You don't need editing skills. AI tools will handle everything. By the way, if you want to improve yourself while making money, check out my previous video on 10 life changing habits. Trust me, you need that mindset before making or chasing money. Method number four, digital real estate flipping. Forget about physical real estate. It's time to digital real estate. Digital real estate is gold rush. You can buy and flip. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever listened that a gaming account or gaming profile has been sold of thousands of rupees? Yes, it's just happened to one of my friends. He has just sold his gaming ID for thousands of rupees. You can imagine the amount. So you can also do it. You can buy domains. You can and sell it. Instagram page will be a great option. YouTube channel or any other account with good audience base and engaging followers. People are making thousands per flip just spotting undervalued digital asset and selling them at a higher price to a better customer. Method number four, high ticket drop servicing, not Amazon FBA. Forget about cheap Alibaba products. High ticket drop service is where the real money is. Instead of selling 100 rupees phone cover, you sell premium product like luxury home gadgets, premium office chair, even electric bikes, electric cycle. With just few sales, you can make thousands per month. And the best part is you never have to touch the inventory. When you will receive the order, the supplier will deliver the product and you will get the commission. And the fifth method is Web3 and blockchain job. No coding required. Think again. Even without coding, you can get paid for managing communities for crypto project, testing blockchain apps and games, flipping digital collectives, NFTs, domain names, virtual brand. Alright, now it's your turn. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helps, press the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the next big money making opportunity. Let's build wealth together. You have started making money. Now you have to save money. I will recommend you this video. It will help you to save money. And if you want to improve yourself, click on this video